when I thought I've seen all the vending machines in Japan, here's a new one, yay! And it's banana vending machine. It vends banana smoothie, okay, for 350 yen, and if you're feeling hot, you can enjoy it. And it also sells banana chips for 500 yen. Okay, sounds reasonable. 4 degrees Celsius, you can put in your money, or they also have PayPay, the new PayPay. Using QR code you can pay, or you can simply put in your money from this green light and you'll get the things down there. And in case you got banana smoothie, there's a straw strategically placed for you. There you go. Amazing.